Okay, so this is episode 2. We got it working again. It was only about a minute, I guess. And my dad's driving it. There he is. There he is. Okay. So, here we go. Here he is. Oh, crap. Oh, wow. It's in the grass now, I guess. He has to slow it down, I guess, because if he doesn't, it'll just like fly. If he doesn't slow it down at certain points, it'll just like fly. Holy crap! Did you see that? It just flew over that. And it just like flew over the train tracks over there, and he landed it. So it's pretty cool. Dang it. Crap. Okay, we're good. Dang, it's too far. Okay, good. He's swimming. Or she. Whatever. Oh, I rammed again. I barely, dang it. I'm sorry if I didn't get that on film. I was just looking over there. What?
The walls.
Oh, shoot.
Oh! It died!
Crap! That was my brother driving in my dad's car. Goodness gracious, he stopped. It died out of nowhere. This is going on YouTube!
Stop!
Sorry.
Get off the road, honey. This car's coming.
Okay, wait a second. My iPod case is breaking.
Yeah, probably having gas.
Okay, here we go. We're good.
Huh? Why can't you get home?
Good thing that wasn't someone that we don't know who almost ran over the RC car, because they would probably call the cops.
Is there a reason, or are you just pissed off? You had to grab my car at Walmart because you fucking too much of a prick. I told you guys had to do it. After everybody was a big piece of shit about it. No, but he's gotta basically beg you to do stuff. It's gonna be a big deal, but stay out to get
Dang it. That's pretty cool. Subscribe, like, whatever. I'm just going to hurry up and get to the other side of it.